Welcome to our channel. The frustration of not being able to withdraw money from your Chime account can be overwhelming. But don't worry, we have a step-by-step guide to help you fix it fast. Welcome to our channel. If you are experiencing withdrawal issues with your Chime account, it is important to approach the problem methodically to get back access smoothly first. Check your account balance to ensure that sufficient funds are available for withdrawal. Sometimes a low balance or holds on deposits can cause withdrawal. Failures. Next, verify that your linked bank account or debit card information is accurate and up-to-date. Incorrect or outdated financial details can block withdrawals. Go into your Chime app settings and confirm the information matches what your bank has on file. If everything looks correct, then review any pending transactions or holds on your account which may restrict access to your funds. For example, large deposits might be on hold for verification, or recent suspicious activity could trigger temporary blocks. Another critical step is to check if your withdrawal request exceeds the daily or monthly limits set by Chime. These limits are common security measures and can prevent large transfers from processing. If you've confirmed all these points, then try logging out of the app and restarting your device. Sometimes the issue can be due to app glitches or connectivity problems, which a simple restart can resolve. If the problem persists, contact Chime customer support directly through their app or website. They can provide detailed insights into your exact issue and guide you on what to do next. In some cases, updating your app to the latest version can also remove bugs that interfere with transactions. To summarize, verify your balance, confirm linked bank info, check pending holds and limits, restart your device, and escalate to customer support. If the problem continues, following these steps carefully will help you efficiently fix withdrawal problems and get back to managing your money without stress. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more helpful financial tips.